Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. I will show you the rooftop of SM Aura Mall. We are here in the rooftop, but look at guys, there is a mini garden here. That one. Yun. Ayan, look at guys. This is the view of around the BGC Taguig, Fort Bonifacio City. Yan, look at guys, that one. We're here in the rooftop. Trivia lang guys. Yan. BGC is belong to Taguig City. Look at guys, that is we are here in SM Mall, one of the big mall here in the Philippines. Yan. SM City is, look at guys, more branches in the Philippines, here in the Metro Manila and other provinces guys. Many branches. Look at guys, that is a cow. Is a cow. Yan. Nandyan. Yan, a mini garden. Look at guys. Yun. There is a swing. There is a giraffe. Yan. If you will go here. Oh, what's the beauty of the mini garden? SM malls are that one guys, the condominium guys. Yan. Condominium here around the BGC. Yan. Ganyan lang. There. Look at there. Yan. Ganda dito guys. Ayan oh. Alam niyo yan. Akalain niyo yan dito sa rooftop. Ganyan, may damo. Ayan. It's not a fixed soil. This is a soil. Yan. Very beautiful. Ayan, over there. Guys, I miss their mini garden here. Yan, many plants. There is a Chinese bamboo like that. Chinese bamboo. What's that? The trees over there. That one is the building of the mall. Yan. And in here, there is a seesaw. Yeah, go. Angelo will play the seesaw. Oh, tayong dalawa? Okay. Seesaw ha, mami is very mabigat. Oh, yan. Ayos ah. Ayos. No. Aray ko. Naglaro patuloy kami dito, guys. Yan. Oh, enough na. Enough na. Ay.
Para may ano ka, energy.
Para may energy si mami. Aray ko. Okay. Oh, kakayanin mo si mami. Okay. Oh, enough.
Last one.
Last one. Oh. Okay. Oh, ha. Oh, last one.